Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdik. I am Chimthanawala. Today let us discuss a very interesting case, very interesting symptomatology of the patient, and after converting the patient's language into the Mater Medica or the repertory form, a very wonderful remedy that came and cured the complaints. Appeared to be a very simple case of cough, but in the end, after a lot of treatment, the patient came to me, somebody referred me. It became an interesting case because the symptomatology had very interesting. I had a patient who was suffering from, first of all, when he came and sat on the chair, he was appearing totally emaciated. There was a general emaciation in the body, and when I asked what are the complaints, he said he has dry cough. He said, Doctor साहब, I बहुत ज़्यादा खांसी आती है, बहुत सूखी खांसी आती है. I have a lot of dry cough and weakness, थकान लगती है. I have taken a lot of medicines for the past 1.5 months, but till I take the medicine, it is better, not okay. But when I stop it, it is more than what was there before. I have taken homeopathy, allopathy, lot of other medicines, Ayurvedic, Kada, but it has not given me relief. So in general, there was emaciation and dry cough. When I asked the history, I asked him how did the cough start? What was the cause of starting of cough? He said, sir, nothing. The cough started automatically, suddenly, and there was no cause for cough. Neither did I drink cold water, no I ate outside food, no I had anything spicy, but the cough started. So I asked him what happened 1 month before, 1.5 months before the cough started. He said, yes, sir, I had gone out to eat in my friend's place. So I had done overeating, or maybe the food was not so good. I had diarrhea for 3-4 days. It was better. I took some medicine, 2 or 3 medicines. It was better. After that, after 3-4 days, the cough started. So it has no relationship with that and this. See what the patient is trying to tell you. There has to be some cause, because if there is a cough, there has to be a cause. So we can take this as a cause, that after maybe eating sometimes stale food or not proper cooked food, he had diarrhea, took medicines, maybe. But the patient said it was different. This is different. I said, any other symptoms in the chest or in the lungs? He said a very interesting symptom. He said, डॉक्टर साहब, ऐसे लगता है ये पूरा यहाँ चिपका हुआ है, ये पूरा चिपका हुआ है, खांसने में तकलीफ होती है, चिपका हुआ. He said there is some sticky sensation, something is stuck, and I get cough. That was a particular symptom the patient was telling us, and he said whenever I cough, the lung has to move, but it does not move. It seems that it is stuck. Something is stuck inside. And I said, so when does the cough increase? ये cough ज़्यादा कब होता है? He said, sir, whenever I am moving, now when I get up from your chair and go out and come back, the cough will start. But when it coughs, it hurts because it feels as if something is stuck and nothing is moving inside. These were the simple wordings of the patient, and the patient said, sir, इतना history है, आगे कुछ नहीं है. Now we have in front of us a very simple case of cough, appears to be simple case, but not responding to treatment. Now how do we convert the patient's language into the language of Mater Medica and get the remedy? Now something stuck. Now something stuck, that means he feels that there is adhesions sensation in the chest. Stuck feeling is basically a sensation of adhesions in the chest, especially sensation of adhesion in the pleura. ऐसा लगता है कुछ चिपक गया, हल नहीं रहा अंदर से. These are the wordings of the patient. So 2 symptoms: sensation of adhesions in the chest and sensation of adhesions in the pleura. Emaciation and the pain in the chest when there is motion. Whenever the patient moves, there is pain in the chest, or whenever there is motion, the cough aggravates. And one more symptom, what the history patient told. You can take that: cough, diarrhea after. Cough after diarrhea, or diarrhea suppressed by medicine, then metastasis into the cough. So we took dry cough, diarrhea after, chest with sensation of adhesion, sensation of adhesion of the pleura, pain in the chest, aggravation motion, and emaciation general. If you repetize this symptom, one of the beautiful remedies that come in a Mater Medica is a very important remedy, rarely prescribed in cough. I also have prescribed rarely in my patient. In fact, in that case, that was the first time I prescribed that remedy, and that is abrotenum. Yes, my friend, a simple remedy, abrotenum, 2 doses, at an interval of 7 days. In 15 days time, the patient came to me. He said the first symptom was, now I can cough freely. See what the patient tells you after the relief. He says, now I can cough freely. That means the sensation of adhesions have gone. In 1 month's time, he was totally cured with Abrotenum 2 doses. With just 4 symptoms: cough after diarrhea, sensation of adhesion in the chest, sensation of adhesions in the pleura, cough aggravation, motion and emaciation. A very simple remedy, Abrotenum. If you like this video, my friends, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.